Hello guys, I'm your host Mangesh and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue regarding your taskbar manager that it will throw up message like error message like it has been disabled by administrator. So don't worry guys, today I'm going to solve your issue and let's see without any respiting time. Let's get into it. But before getting into that, I would like to inform you. Uh, just uh, just go to your sorry. Just go to your settings and in settings, control panels and in programs options. Okay. So see if these three drivers, either these three drivers or likewise, you can see other drivers as well like this Oracle or other legit company, whether these three drivers is been in your computer or not. If these three drivers is in not your computer, so it must you have been deleted without knowing yourself or while installing other softwares or uninstalling softwares. So in that process, meanwhile, you have been deleted these three drivers. That's why your taskbar is not going to work. And if you want to not happen this issue, and it won't happen again, guys, after fixing this issue. So you have to just go into the run and just type gp edit.msc and it pop up like two options. You have to deep dive into the user configuration settings, administrative templates, and in this you have to go into the system folders and control ultra plus delete options. Okay, so you have to double click on this remote task manager, and if currently in your machine if it pop like or activate already disabled mode or not configured mode. So if it is only disabled mode, you have to activate not configured mode and OK. And if it is only disabled mode, then you have to activate only not configured mode. OK, and after doing so, your close all the windows and your task manager issue has been fixed up, guys, and it will going to work very well without any fumbling or without any bother. And just to keep in mind these things that those drivers is what getting installed, whether you have it by knowing yourself or without any information. So just try to overcome this issue. This drivers is not going to install in any way, and while handling your taskbar, just check your taskbar that if it is working very well or not. By clicking on performance and just open the resource monitor. If it is opening and showing every single details on this taskbar, then your issue has been completely fixed up, and it won't won't going to again pop up issue like this again. And if yeah, it is working very well, and I'm sure you guys your issue has been completely fixed up, so don't worry, it will all fine. So thank you guys for watching the video. For more such videos like this video, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.